Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ledgers in Tally. Ledgers are the backbone of your accounting system, recording every financial transaction. Tally Prime conveniently pre-creates two crucial ledgers for you, cash and the profit and loss account. This saves you initial setup time. We will explore the simple steps to create additional ledgers, ensuring your financial records are comprehensive and accurate. To begin creating a new ledger, first access the gateway of Tally. From there, select the Create option, then choose Ledger under Accounting Masters. Next, carefully input the name for your new ledger. Remember, each ledger name must be unique. Finally, assign the ledger to its correct group such as bank accounts or sales accounts to ensure proper classification. Understanding ledger groups is crucial for effective financial management in Tally. These groups categorize your ledgers, ensuring your reports are well organized and meaningful. Tally offers 28 predefined groups, with 13 primary groups and 15 subgroups. Assigning each ledger to its correct group is vital for generating accurate balance sheets and profit and loss statements, providing clear insights into your business's financial health. Beyond basic creation, Tally offers advanced options for your ledgers. You can configure opening balances for accounts that already have existing transactions. Enabling cost centers allows for detailed tracking of expenses and revenues by specific departments or projects. For party ledgers, you can set credit periods, and for debtors and creditors, maintaining bill-wise details ensures precise reconciliation. These features enhance the depth and accuracy of your financial records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.